Hello, Alexei. My name's Ivan, and I'm with Zucor Marketing based in San Antonio, Texas. And thank you so much for taking the time to talk with Jeff. And he sent your website over to me for analysis, and this is the video that you're watching right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more customers online. And I'm going to run through a few things that you can implement right now. In addition to reviewing your website, I'm also going to look at one of your competitors' website and show you why they are beating you online and what you can do to counteract that. And that competitor is RAM Construction. So the very first thing that I want to go over is your website right here. So you've got a good layout, good photo here, really good background photo, good amount of content. I really like your layout here, how the pictures move whenever I scroll down. Oh, and when I say content, these are words in your website or on your homepage. And there's still a lot more that you can do to rank higher in Google. And one thing that I can tell you about Google is that Google loves content, and they like to see a ton of content in the homepage. And right now you guys have 374 words. And in addition to this, the more content you have, the more you look like an expert in Google's eyes. But don't just add any content or words, add quality content, keywords. When I say keywords, these are phrases that customers use in search of services in the area, and Google is looking for those keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. So if you have those exact keywords listed here multiple times, then you're going to be really relevant for that search, and Google is going to be willing to put you into higher results. And I don't see enough keywords here in your content, so you will want to add some more. And earlier, I went ahead and did the search here for general contractors, Bellingham, Washington. So this is a good example of a keyword right here. So you're looking for the product or the service, and in this case, we are using general contractors and the area where you want the product or the service, and that's in Bellingham. And this area here is called the map pack, and the top three listed here are the ones who gets the most amount of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And some things that you can do to get listed here is to have a Google Business profile, fill out as much information as possible, like your business name, business address, phone number, photos, and hours of operation. And another way of boosting your existing Google Business profile is to set up or create more profiles into as many relevant directories as possible, like Yelp, Angie.com, or Yellow Pages. And sometimes clients would tend to skip this area and go straight here. So this area here is called the organics, and you also want to be listed in the top 3 of the organics so that the most amount of people will find you. And the reason why we pulled up RAM Construction is because they're in the top of the top place of the map pack, and they're also in the top 10 of the organics. And let's take a look at their website. Okay. So they've got good photos here for their links. So they divided 2 different services, I guess. So this one is for the buildings, and this has good photos here, good amount of content, and this also has, I think, over 500 words. Okay, so this has over 900 words, and that's a really good amount, and you're going to want to beat that amount. And let's take a look at your rating here first. Here. So this is a paid program that I use to research websites. This is called Ahrefs, and with this program we can actually see what we are up against. And the second thing that I want to go over is the DR and UR ratings. So a DR rating is a trust rating, meaning this is how much Google trusts your website, and for now you have 0.7. And the UR rating is the strength rating, meaning this is how powerful your website is in Google, and you have 4.5. And an important way of raising these numbers is through the backlinks and referring domains. So a backlink is essentially a shout out or endorsement from another website, usually from a referring domain. And right now you guys have 37 backlinks and 8 referring domains. And you also have 10 keywords. And let's take a look at RAM Construction's rating here. Okay, so they have 15 for the DR rating or the trust rating, 12 for the UR rating or the strength rating, 363 backlinks, 34 referring domains, 43 keywords, and in the last 30 days, they had 100 visits or traffic in their website. And what's really good about this program is that we can actually see the backlinks or referring domains and keywords your competitors have and attain them for your website. So here. So these are all the referring domains that they have. For example, mapquest.com, popular website, 91 for the trust rating, and 21.7 million traffic in the last 30 days. Another popular website here, Yellow Pages, 90 for the trust rating and 4.4 million traffic. And Chambermaster, 79 for the trust rating and 171,000 traffic in the last 30 days. And there's still a lot more. So if you attain these high quality websites as your referring domain, especially the ones with the most amount of traffic here, then that's going to help boost traffic into your website, and that's going to bring in a lot of work. And last and most importantly, the keywords. So these are all the keywords that they have. For example, Bellingham Construction. This has 20 searches in Google in the last 30 days. And number one here, Construction Jobs Bellingham, 30 searches. Summit Construction Bellingham, 10 searches. Construction Companies in Washington, 20 searches. Construction Companies in Washington State, 30 searches, and there's still a lot more. So if you get the most relevant keywords and add it as content into your website, then that's going to help boost your searchability in Google. And imagine the number of people here finding you instead of your competitors. So if you were to get these three things, more content, keywords in your website, get some high quality backlinks or referring domains for your UR and DR ratings, then that's going to bring in a lot of calls or a lot of work for your business. And these are the things that you can implement right now. We can also help you make these changes and more with the goal of getting you many new customers. Oh, and Jeff is going to be following up with you to get some feedback from you about the ideas discussed in this video. And thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye.